Welcome to the Great Inventions Quiz! Are you ready to explore amazing inventions that changed the world? Let's test your knowledge and have fun learning together.
Question 1. What is the name of the machine that can fly in the sky?
The answer is airplane. An airplane is a machine that can fly in the sky and carry people across long distances. It was invented to make travel faster and easier. Today, airplanes connect people all around the world.
Question 2. Which invention helps you see things that are far away?
The answer is telescope. A telescope helps people see objects that are very far away, like stars and planets. It is often used by scientists and astronomers. With a telescope, we can explore space from Earth.
Question 3. Which invention is used to talk to someone far away?
The answer is telephone. The telephone allows people to talk to each other from different places. It changed communication around the world. Today, smartphones are advanced versions of the telephone.
Question 4. Which invention helps you travel on water?
The answer is boat. A boat is used to travel across water like rivers, lakes, and oceans. It is one of the oldest inventions for transportation. Boats are still very important today. Question 5. Which invention gives light in the dark?
The answer is light bulb. The light bulb helps us see in the dark by producing light. It changed how people live and work at night. Before this invention, people used candles or lamps.
Question 6. Which invention is used to print books and papers?
The answer is printer. A printer helps produce copies of documents and books. It makes sharing information easier and faster. Today, printers are used in schools, homes, and offices. Question 7. Which invention helps you watch shows and movies? The answer is television. Television allows people to watch shows, news, and movies. It became very popular in homes around the world. Today, smart TVs can even connect to the internet. Question 8. Which invention helps you travel quickly on land? The answer is car. A car is used to travel quickly on roads and highways. It is one of the most common ways people move around. Cars has made transportation more convenient. Question 9. Which invention helps you keep food cold and fresh? The answer is refrigerator. A refrigerator keeps food fresh by making it cold. It helps prevent food from spoiling quickly. This invention is very important in daily life. Last question. Which invention helps you listen to music? The answer is speaker. A speaker plays sounds so people can listen to music or audio. It works with devices like phones and computers. Speakers make sound louder and clearer. Great job exploring these amazing inventions. Inventions make our lives easier, smarter, and more fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and try more quizzes. See you next time!